Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio sound better in Audacity step by step. With a few simple effects, you can make your voice clearer, louder, and more professional. So let's get started. First, open Audacity on your computer. Next, import the audio file you want to improve. Click on the audio track to select it. Then click the Effect menu. First, select Noise Reduction to remove background noise. Next, click the Effect menu again and select Compressor. Click Apply to make your voice more balanced. Then click the Effect menu again. Select Filter Curve EQ. Choose a preset such as Low Roll-Off for speech or adjust the EQ to make your voice clearer. Click Apply. Finally, click the Effect menu once more. Select Loudness Normalization. Set your preferred loudness level, then click Apply. And that's it. You've successfully improved your audio quality in Audacity. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Audacity tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.